Change my life with this low-calorie DIY meal. Want a delicious, low-calorie meal you can make at home? Imagine enjoying a scrumptious dish that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supports your health goals. Ready to transform your kitchen into a hub of healthy goodness? Today, I'll show you how to create a 100% homemade, low-fat meal perfect for dieting. With simple ingredients and easy steps, you'll be able to enjoy a meal that's both nutritious and satisfying. Let's dive into this culinary adventure together. Low-calorie, low-fat meals offer numerous benefits, including weight management and improved heart health. These meals tend to be rich in vitamins and minerals, providing essential nutrients without the extra calories. Plus, they can enhance your overall energy levels. Here's a quick rundown of all the ingredients you'll need. Lean protein like chicken breast or tofu, a base such as quinoa or brown rice, an array of colorful vegetables, and a selection of herbs and spices for seasoning. Gather these essentials to get started. Properly prepping your ingredients is crucial for a delicious meal. Begin by thoroughly washing and cutting your vegetables to ensure they're clean and ready for cooking. This step not only enhances flavor but also helps retain essential nutrients. Choosing healthy cooking methods like steaming or grilling is crucial for maintaining low-fat meals. These techniques preserve nutrients and enhance the natural flavors of ingredients without adding unnecessary fats or calories, making your meal both wholesome and delicious. To prepare the base, start by rinsing quinoa or brown rice thoroughly. Cooking these grains provides a nutritious foundation rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Follow package instructions for perfect texture, ensuring a satisfying and filling base for your meal. Cook lean protein such as chicken breast or tofu by using methods like grilling or poaching. These techniques help retain moisture without adding extra fat. Season lightly with herbs for added flavor and cook until the protein is tender and juicy. Incorporate a variety of vegetables by steaming or lightly sautéing them. Choose colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots to maximize nutritional benefits. Cooking them just enough to retain their crunch and vibrant color adds texture and visual appeal to your dish. Opt for healthy seasoning options to enhance flavor without adding extra sodium. Fresh herbs like basil, rosemary, and cilantro can elevate your dish. Use spices like paprika, cumin, and turmeric to add depth and complexity, making your meal both tasty and nutritious. Mix all the components gently to ensure an even distribution of flavors and textures. This step is crucial as it allows the quinoa or brown rice to absorb the juices from the vegetables and protein, enhancing the overall taste. Arrange the meal on a plate with care to make it visually appealing. Use contrasting colors and textures to create an inviting presentation. A well-plated dish can enhance the dining experience and make healthy eating more enjoyable. This meal offers a balanced nutritional profile with lean protein, fiber-rich grains, and a variety of vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. It's low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for a diet-friendly option. Take a bite and savor the blend of flavors and textures. The tenderness of the protein, the crunch of the vegetables, and the subtle seasoning create a delightful experience. This meal proves that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste. The ingredients in this dish provide numerous health benefits. Lean protein supports muscle growth. Whole grains offer sustained energy, and vegetables are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. It's a wholesome, nutrient-dense meal that supports overall well-being. Storing leftovers properly ensures food safety and maintains flavor. Use airtight containers to keep your meal fresh in the fridge for up to 4 days. To reheat, opt for steaming or microwaving to preserve nutrients and prevent drying out. For variety, consider swapping ingredients based on your preferences. Use sweet potatoes instead of quinoa or try shrimp instead of chicken. Mixing up vegetables and proteins keeps meals exciting and nutritionally balanced, preventing diet fatigue. Making meals at home can be more budget-friendly than eating out. Buying ingredients in bulk and utilizing seasonal produce can significantly reduce costs. Preparing your own meals allows you to control portions and avoid hidden restaurant expenses. Common mistakes include overcooking vegetables, resulting in lost nutrients, and under-seasoning, which can make meals bland. To avoid these, cook veggies until just tender and use a variety of herbs and spices to enhance flavors without adding extra calories. Take a moment to admire your final dish, beautifully plated and ready to enjoy. The vibrant colors and inviting aroma make it visually appealing. This final touch not only enhances your dining experience but also boosts your confidence in healthy cooking. You've got this! Cooking a healthy, low-calorie meal at home is easier than you think. Remember, every small step you take towards healthier eating makes a big difference. Enjoy the process and savor the delicious, nutritious results you create. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you fresh, nutritious meal ideas. Happy cooking and bon appetit! Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.